So hey guys, iMAT here. Today we are unboxing something new. It's a smart ring, but it comes with a display and won't need a smartphone to operate. Let's go ahead and find out what's in the box. So first of all, here is the smart ring. I'm gonna place it here. And then here is the charging case. But it's not just a charging case, it's a power bank, and you can charge this box and then use it later to charge the smart ring. So in order to turn it on, you just need to place it here, and here you can see that the smart ring will turn on and it has started to charge. So we'll take a look at it later in the video. First of all, let's find out the other things in the box. We get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and here we have the user manual, which will tell us about the application it is going to use and how to use the other functions inside it. So if you look at it, first of all, it is going to show the time. Then we have the steps. After that, we have the heart rate checker. So as soon as I place my finger inside it, you will see that it will start to measure my heartbeat. After that, we have the sleep tracking. We also get the battery percentage shown here. And here is the LCD option. So other than the heart rate checker, it also comes with the blood oxygen level checker here. As you can see, the one I have in my hand is 8 number size. It is also available in different sizes. You will have to connect it with your mobile phone application if you want to keep a track of the data and you want to set the time. Other than that, you won't need a smartphone to operate this smart ring. This was a quick unboxing of this smart ring with digital display. I will be testing it in the coming days and will be posting my full testing review on iMAT Gadgets. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe to iMAT Gadgets. You can find the link in the description box below. And if you would like to place an order right away, then again you can find the purchase link in the description box below too. I will see you in the full review on iMAT Gadgets and with a new unboxing on Unbox with iMAT.